Prioritizing cloud enablement objectives and speed adoption of the right cloud services is a must for business in the current scenario. Understanding the value of speed and flexibility are of utmost importance to keep you at the top of your game. With hybrid cloud capabilities, Azure meets you wherever you are on your digital journey and gives you peace of mind with unmatched security and compliance. Build, manage, and deploy applications the way you want using the tools and technologies you love with a platform built for both power and speed. This powers improved productivity, better agility, and decreased costs for businesses. Polestar Solutions is a leading Microsoft Azure cloud solution provider with a strong pool of certified Microsoft Azure consultants, data engineers, and solution architects, offering cloud computing solutions on Azure for huge enterprises around the globe. With our state-of-the-art Azure Services, we deliver solutions that are technologically robust, scalable, and cost-effective. Get in touch with us